In this video, you will be seeing how to clean and transform the data in Power BI using a Power Query editor. We will be seeing how to remove the null values, NA values, how to remove the negative values or clean the negative values, and how to create a calculated columns, etc. We will be seeing all those transformations which are required in the Power Query editor, and to clean the data we will be seeing in this video. For this purpose, for cleaning and transforming the data, I have already downloaded one random data of sales which we will be cleaning and transforming. So firstly, I will show you what the data is about. I will show you the CSV file which we have. So this is the CSV file which I have already downloaded. So it contains all the sales data. First column is for order ID, in which all the order IDs are there. Order date is there. Customer names are there. You can see in the customer name there are a lot of blank values are there, in in down also, like lot of blank values are there. In city there are also blank values, NA values are there, categories there, sales amount is there, quantity, discount percent, and profit is there. You can see in profit there are negative values which can create a problem in the Power BI. Negative values are not always wrong, but it depends on the business how they are treating them. So we will be cleaning that also. In quantity you can see there are like numerical values, and some numbers are written in the string format or the text format it is written. There are blank values also. So we will be doing all those transformation in Power Query editor. So we will open the Power BI desktop, and we will open this Power Query editor. I have already shown how to import this CSV file. So if you want, you can see my previous video in which we have imported the data. We will directly come to this Power Query editor. Okay. So you can see we have imported the data, and in this all the columns are available which were in Excel, but like there are null values, there are negative values, there are like we have to replace the values, and the data type of the values are also not correct. So we will be doing all those things. We will be starting to transform the data. We will go like column wise column. We will see if there is any error, duplicates, or null values are there. We will remove it, and we will clean the data. So first the column is order ID. So in the order ID column, you can see there must be like null values or something is there. Like we will check for it. If there is not, like there are no null values are there, so we will check if there any duplicates are there. So we will click on remove rows, and we can remove the duplicates from it. Okay, if there will be any duplicates, it will get removed. In order date, we will click on order date, and order ID we have removed the duplicates because like it's the primary key for us. In order date can be duplicate, so we will not remove the duplicates out of it. We will only clean the null values if there is, and we will check if the data type is correct or not. We can see like if there is any uh, null values are there. Yeah, there is the null value. So there is NA was there in this. Yeah, NA is there. So we will be filtering it out, because the best way to remove the null values is to filter it out. Because like if we want to add any data or any date in it afterwards, it will be difficult to get it will we have to go to the previous version again, and we have to deselect all those things, and we have to do it again. But in this filtering out, we can easily select again the null values or the date which has come, and we can do that. And deselecting it, filtering it out from here, we'll click on OK. Now we will like the data type is not correct in it, we will click on transform, and we will click on detect data type. So this data type has been converted, and it is been changed to the date format. Now we will be coming to the customer name. So in customer name we can easily see like there are a lot of blank values are there. We will again select all. We will deselect this blank rows and click on OK. We will check again if there is any other null values or any other error is there. No, there is not. We will click on OK and the data type is also correct. In city all there is also blank rows are there. So we will filter it out. We will click on OK. In category we will see what are the errors are there. So category column doesn't have any null values. It's perfect and the data type is also correct. Now we will come to the sales amount. In sales amount there is error is coming. It must be due to the null values or some error must be coming in this. So that's why the red line is there. We will check it once. What's the issue in it? Firstly, like once it's written data format error. We couldn't convert to number. Okay, so we will see what's the issue in this. So see, there is the issue here. Like in error it is there. We will see what's the issue. We couldn't convert to number. Okay, it is NA, because of which it cannot be converted to number. So like we will do one thing. We will click on sales amount and we will go to home, remove rows. We will remove the errors from it. Okay, we have removed the error and now the sales amount has been cleared. Like there are no red line over here and the data type is also correct, but their null values are there. We will filter out the null values from it. Okay, we click on OK. Now we will come to the next column, quantity. In quantity there are the text format is there. There are blank rows also. So we will be firstly replacing the value to the text to the numerical format. So we click on quantity. In the home tab there is a replace value option in the transform. So we will click on replace value. In value to find we will type 2 and replace with numerical 2. Click on OK. So the text format has been converted to numerical. We'll see if there are any other number in the text format. Yeah, 5 is also there. We will change that also. Same process. Replace 5. Replace with 5. Click on OK. Now all the numbers are in numerical format but blanks are there. We will filter it out. We will see if any other no blanks are there. We will filter it out. Okay, now in discount percentage, like in quantity it's not in the correct data type, so we will click on transform and detect data type. It's been converted to the whole number. In discount percentage we can see if there is any null values or blank rows are there or any error is there. We will filter it out. If there is not, we are good to go in this column also. No, there is nothing there, so it's good to go. In profit we will check if there is any null values are there, blank rows. No, I don't think there is any null values are there. No, so discount and profit doesn't have any null values, blank rows or any data type issue, so we are good to go. So we have cleaned the data, we have transformed it. Okay, so like if your data is more complicated, you need more transformations, you can do that. There are a lot of options available. You can from in the home tab, in the transform tab, you can there in the home tab there's one column, remove columns option is there. If you want don't want any column, like if I don't want the profit column, I will click on remove column. Profit column will be removed. But I will keep it. And like if you will click on one column, and click on remove columns and remove other columns. So the column which you have selected, it will not get removed, but the other columns will get removed. Okay, so you can do it which like everything you want according to the cleaning the data. Okay, so now like we have cleaned the data and transform it, we will be creating a new column. So we will go to add column. The new column will be of the sales. Like we will see like after the discount what is the actual amount of the sales that is there. We'll click on add column and we will invoke the like we will do the custom column over here. Okay, we will give the new column name as actual sales amount, and in the formula we can drag it from here also, or we can like we can drag it from here, the sales amount. Oh sorry, it's order ID. We can click on sales amount, we can insert it, and into we can open the this one minus discount. We have to like we can insert it from here, discount percentage 1 minus discount percentage divided by 100. Okay, so this is the actual sales amount which we have. We can invalid identifier rate is there.
So what
Okay, some error is
we
there
have done,
because
we
of which
have
it is
instead of
coming.
brackets, we have
Can
applied
see
the
what
square
is the
brackets
error
over
over
here.
here.
Okay, so now it is correct. We click on OK. The name discount percentage wasn't recognized. Make sure it's spelled correct. Okay, we will check it again. Discount percentage was correct only. I think we have to add the square brackets over here. We will check it again. Click on OK. Yeah, so that was only the issue. Now the actual sales amount column has been created. Okay, we will check the once the data type, detect data type, it has been converted to the decimal number because the decimal numbers are there, it has been converted to it. We have created one column, actual sales amount. Now I want to create one more column. So what we will do, like order date column is there, we will extract the year from it. Okay, so we will again go to add column and custom column from here, and we will name it as year, and in formula we can type year. We will select this date dot year, and we can open the round brackets and we can select this order date. We can close the round brackets and click on OK. So you can see the year has been extracted from it. In the same format, like you can extract the month also. We will again go to custom column. Okay, we will type month and equals to, we can type month over here, date dot month name we can select, and from order date we can insert the order date and close the round brackets, click on OK. So we have extracted the month name from it, but in this the number was there, but we have add the column and we have added the month name over here. Okay, like this you can add the columns, you can do the transformations over here, you can do the calculations if you want, you want to calculate the profit margin out of it. Okay, we will do that also. We will do we will again create a column, custom column only. We will type profit margin, and we will insert the profit column here. Profit is here, we will insert it, profit divided by sales amount. We can insert the sales amount from here, insert, divide by, sorry, into 100. So we will get the profit margin out of it. Click on OK. So we have got the profit margin out of it. So we have calculated one more column, that is profit margin. If you want like this profit margin, like we can go to transform data and we can detect the data type. It is currently in the decimal number. Okay. So if you want like to round it off, because there are lot of after the decimal there are a lot of values. If you want only two values to be there, you can click on this column and rounding. You can click on round decimal places up to 2. Click on OK. So you can see only the decimal places up to 2 are available now. Same over here also, actual sales amount we will round it to up to the 2 decimal values only. Okay. So this was the transformation in this. Like we have what we have done in this video. We have first changed the. We can see it here. Applied steps we have done. We have removed the duplicates. We have filtered the rows. We have replaced the values. Again we have filtered the rows. And for the other columns we have added the custom means we have added the calculated columns over here. Actual sales amount, year we have extracted, month we have extracted, we have calculated the profit margin, we have done the rounding off, we have only the 2 decimal places we have done it. So that's all for this video. We will be seeing other things like DAX functions, like and other things in the next video.